navigating the sort of intersections between the audience that I know that that institution has, the audiences it's trying to build, the arts community that it is embedded within, and its role in connecting that community to a larger sense of an artist community, and all of that kind of coming together in a way that hopefully is true to the kind of long view of that institution's own identity. And so trying to be a kind of mediator of all of those interests and all of those kinds of investments in the institution in order to blend that with a view or a perspective or an argument or an assertion of something that I feel like I can articulate well and facilitate to the artist well.
For me personally, a lot of that is talking to the artist and understanding like what their like dream project would be and kind of trying to dissect that into something that is actually possible with funds and just in terms of the institution that you might be working with. But I think also to be an advocate for the artist, I think is very important, to advocate for their ideas, to advocate